And we're redoing the branding for this channel right here. And there's a design contest going on 99 Designs.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're rebranding. So if you have any ideas around that, I don't know if you're a designer. If you goof around with 99 Designs, you can see our contest over there and you can submit. If you don't goof around with 99 Designs, you can tweet your designs at me if you're interested in the gig, and I can consider that too. But there's an ongoing contest right now. I believe people are already submitting their rebranding ideas for this show because we never really had an identity. It was kind of a thing. It was like, make the videos, post the clips. Like it's a lot. It's a lot. I mean, I'm just saying, Will, it's a lot.
No, I agree. And it's nice if, one of our gracious audience members create some sort of logo or branding.
No, I'm just saying, like, I can't.
And it's like interactive.
Like, I can't make any guarantees on that because we already put the contest on 99 Designs. We've already got submissions.
Yeah.
I don't know what we're going to end up going with, but I'm just saying, if this like really gets you going, then, I'll look at, I'm totally open to look at some of your work and stuff. You can just tweet it at me. I'll look at the replies and take a peek at it, or you can go submit officially via 99 Design. I don't know how it all works, but.
Okay.
Because we did pick the premium tier, which means like we were only getting like whatever they called it. I don't know, pro designers.
Yeah.
It's all going to be a wild ride. We'll keep you involved. Maybe if the audience doesn't submit the logo, they can help pick based on our submissions. We can bring them up on there.
That's a great idea.
And then see, like, have a little vote in the chat and see what people like.